Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about corona vaccination and how it induces immunity in our body and is vaccination effective against all strains of coronaviruses. All the first, when coronavirus enters in human body, our immune system reacts to it. All the first WBCs which are a part of our immune system react these viruses. Macrophages, a type of WBCs, react all the first. These eat viruses and change them into small parts. These parts are called antigens. Then B lymphocytes, which are also a type of WBCs, produces antibodies. These antibodies destroy antigens of coronaviruses. And finally, T lymphocytes, which are also a type of WBCs, eat or destroy infected cells. Then our body keep some B lymphocytes and T lymphocyte cells as memory cells. In future, when again these viruses attack our body, these memory cells immediately induce our immunity system and make us safe from the viruses. In vaccination process, we inject particles of the virus to induce our immunity system without going sick. So in the process, our body make memory cells for future use. So it is the process of how our how vaccination induces immunity in our body without going sick. Second, is vaccination effective against all types of strains of viruses? After a lot of research, it is found that there are not more clues, or we can say any clues of failure of vaccination against all all strains. What different persons body have different type of immunity, and they behave in a different way. So vaccination is not 100% safe, or we can say effective against viruses. So people should take all precautions against viruses even after getting vaccinated. Finally, some people get infected even after vaccination. In vaccination process, it takes a few weeks to induce immunity in our body. During this period, people may get infected with the viruses and become sick. So we should aware about this. And after that, we should also care about all precautions, because there are different type of immunity in our bodies. So we should keep in mind that precautions are necessary with vaccination. Thank you very much.